everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change email address on Webull. If you're looking for a way to update or change to a new email address on Webull, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Webull application from your app drawer and also make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main home page, tap the menu button at the lower right hand corner and in the expanded menu, select Settings. Under Settings, choose Account and Security option. Now, tap on the Email option and you will be able to see the Change Email button appearing on the display. To change to a new email, tap on Change Email and then enter your current login password for your Webull account. After entering your login password for Webull, tap Next, and once your password is correct, you'll be taken to a new page from where you'll need to go through a simple puzzle, and then you'll also need to verify your current email address. Type in the verification code that you received via email and then you will be able to get to a new page. Here, you can go ahead and enter a new email address. Type in the new email address you'd like to associate with your Webull account and then tap on Next. You'll again need to verify the new email address, so you'll now need to enter the verification code sent to your new email address this time. Open up your email inbox and simply enter the email that you received, and soon after you do that, you will be able to change your email address. So that is how it can be done. Next time you try to log into the account, you'll now need to enter the newly created email address for your Webull account. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.